If you have ever dreamed of making money online without showing your face, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to share the exact same methods and strategies that I've used to make hundreds of thousands of dollars using Instagram theme pages. And these aren't just theories, these are my personal methods, strategies and systems that I have used. And these strategies have helped me create a successful Instagram theme pages marketing agency, generating hundreds of thousands of dollars all before the age of 21. So if you are serious about achieving financial freedom and living the life on your own terms, then stick around because this video is going to be a game changer for you. So who am I to teach you all of this? Well, my name is Sannoyed Malik and I run one of the largest Instagram theme pages marketing agency in the entire planet. I've been doing this since I was a teenager, and in the last few years I have developed a system that have helped me generate thousands of dollars without ever having to show my face. So if you are interested in buying your dream house or retiring your parent and have complete time freedom, then this video is just for you. So let's start with the basics. What exactly are faceless Instagram theme pages? So basically these are Instagram accounts that are focused on a specific niche, where you repost content in that niche to grow your audience without ever having to show your face. So for example, pages in fitness, motivation, beauty or finance and stuff like that. These are the pages where you can build an audience surrounding a specific interest without ever having to show your face. So Instagram is completely full of these faceless pages. Just go to the explore page of your Instagram app and I promise you that you will find a ton of Instagram theme pages. So why is this business so good? Because first of all, you don't need any capital to start this business. And secondly, when you are not tied to a personal brand, then it's really easy to automate and sell the page. And now I will share the step-by-step guide that you need to start a faceless Instagram theme page and make shit ton of money. Alright, so the first step is to pick a profitable niche. And choosing the right niche is going to be the foundation of your success. Here's how to do that. So my research process is to create a new Instagram page and then engage with the content in a specific niche. For example, if you are looking to start a page in fitness niche and you are trying to find sub niches of fitness, then just create a new Instagram account and engage with some of the reels in the fitness niche. After that, your entire explore page will be full of Instagram theme pages in the fitness niche. From that, you can see what kind of content is going viral and what exactly is working great for those sub niches. And then you can pick one of those niches. And I've made a dedicated video to 14 most profitable niches for Instagram theme pages, which I will link in the description. So you can watch that after watching this video. And when you are trying to find the perfect niche, just make sure to check the competition as well. Just analyze the competition in the niche. If there are too many pages related to a specific niche, then there is a solid chance that that niche is already too saturated, but too little competition means that there is a lack of demand. So you have to look for the sweet spot. Alright, so after you have picked a profitable niche, the next step is to set up a professional Instagram theme page. So the setup of your Instagram theme page includes your username, your bio, your logo, your highlights, and the name of the page. For the username of your page, you have to choose a username that is relevant to your niche, easy to remember, avoid numbers, underscores, or periods. Keep it short and snappy and under 10 characters. And to get some inspiration, either use ChatGPT or watch your competition. Alright, so for the name of your page, you have to include 2 to 3 keywords that are relevant to your niche. For example, in fitness niche, I can include like bodybuilding, physique, muscles. And for beauty niche, I can include like makeup, skincare, or beauty. Just pick 2 to 3 keywords relevant to your niche and go with them. Also, you can include these 2 lines in between those full names. That will make it look much better. So for your bio, it should be concise and impactful. The first line should describe what value your page offers. The second line can give more details. And the third line should always be a call to action, asking to follow your page or check your link. And again, if you want inspiration for your bio, you can use tools like ChatGPT or analyze your competitors. Or for your profile picture, use a simple recognizable logo. So just use Canva and use some icons and add a text and boom, that's your logo. For your highlights, use relevant categories like growth, polls, or best posts of the week. Make sure the colors are consistent in the highlights and in the profile picture. So putting all of these things in practice, you must now have a really high quality page that you can start posting content on. Alright, so step 3, and this step is the most important step out of all of them. So if you are going to remember something from this video, just remember this one. And that step is content creation and repurposing the content. Instagram in the past year or so has become really strict when it comes to reposted content. And if you are starting a new page, which I assume that most of you would be, you would have to edit the content a little bit so Instagram thinks it's original. And obviously the pages that already have good followers like 50,000 and plus, they can still get away with reposted content. But you in the beginning, you must start with repurposing the content and editing it a tiny bit so Instagram thinks it's original. So after the setup of your page is completed, you must warm it up. By warming up, I mean going and liking relevant posts in your niche. What that will do is that it will show you viral content on your explore page. Then you can repurpose. So after the setup is completed, just go go on Instagram, find some relevant pages in your niche and engage with them. After that, you will start to see some reels in your niche on your explore page. Then you have to engage with them as well for a while. Once that is done, your explore page would be completely full of viral reels in your niche. And now you have to take those viral reels and make sure to edit them a bit. You can use CapCut to edit. A few things you can do is that you can play around with the color settings, or one of the best ways to make the content a little bit original is to add a layout. So you can either create the layout in Canva that includes your profile picture and your name, and then edit that in CapCut to add the video on the top of it. Or what you can do is that you can add if there only was a page layout. So basically, if you have a page related to makeup, you can create a layout like if there only was a page dedicated to perfect makeup tutorials and stuff like that, and add that layout. If you want these layouts ready-made, these are completely available for free in our Discord server that I will link in the description. So once your viral posts are edited, the next step is to consistently upload 2 to 3 times per day. Especially in the beginning phase, being consistent is the most important thing that you can do. At least be consistent for 2 months if you want to see some meaningful results. So putting all of these things in practice, you must now have a page that is growing steadily. So the next part is the monetization, the part that you all have been waiting for. So basically, Faceless Instagram theme page is just your audience, so you can monetize them in many ways. Alright, so the first step to monetize your Instagram theme page is via sponsored posts. As your page grows, brands will start to reach you out for sponsored posts, and you can charge them to feature their services or products on your page. The more followers and engagement that you have, the higher the rates that you can charge. And I personally have a client that has millions of followers in business/finance niche, and he has made tens of thousands of dollars just using promotions. He also shared some tips regarding promotions. So you are basically saying that we should focus on doing bulk promotions instead of one-off deals, right?
Yeah, and try to work with agencies, because you won't get that many bulk promotions from coaches themselves or whoever is buying the promo.
Alright, so the next way by which you can make money using Instagram theme pages is affiliate marketing. So basically, you will promote other people's products and you will get a commission in return. This is a relatively easy method to monetize your page without having to create your own products. And we have our own affiliate programs available in the Discord server. One of my clients has actually made more than $100,000 using this method. Alright, so the next way by which you can monetize your Instagram theme page is using digital products. So after you have a solid Instagram theme page in a specific niche, for example in fitness niche, what you can do is that you can go to ChatGPT and ask it for digital product ideas for your page. And then using ChatGPT, you can create like ebooks and stuff like that, and you can sell it via Gumroad. These products have almost no cost and is a really great method to make tons of profit. Alright, so the next method is really my claim to fame because I use this method a lot. This is the main way I have made a lot of money using Instagram theme pages, and that is to sell Instagram theme pages growth services. So once you have a good amount of followers, people will start to reach you out to buy your page. In this case specifically, what you can do is that you can offer them your services instead. So if someone comes to you and asks to buy your page for like $1,000, you can do is that you can give them a service saying that I will grow 2 pages for you for $1,000 to the same amount of followers, and you can keep that page as well and grow the pages for them. This is especially lucrative if you have already proven your success with theme pages. Alright, so these were the monetization methods, but there are 2 more ways by which you can make money with theme pages, and those are not specifically like monetizing the page. So basically that is to either sell your Instagram theme page or flip Instagram theme pages. So once you have grown a page to a good amount of followers, like 40,000 followers or 50,000 followers, what you can do is that you can just sell that page. If you have a really high quality page that has good insights and USA audience, you can sell that for $20 to $30 per 1,000 followers. And to sell Instagram theme pages, you have to use Discord server. That's the best way to sell Instagram theme pages, and I have linked the Discord server in the description as I've told you before. And lastly, flipping Instagram theme pages. What you will do is that you will find high quality pages that are going to get insanely viral, and then you will buy them, revamp them, grow them for a while, and then sell them for a profit. This is called flipping Instagram theme pages. And if you want to learn more about flipping Instagram theme pages, then go ahead and watch this video completely, because in that video I went in complete detail on how you can flip Instagram theme pages. I'll see you soon.